You said meet me down by the ramp, sunlight caught in your hair. Bowman's boat sat cold and damp, wouldn't turn for anyone there. I leaned in with a wrench and grin, listened close to the choke. Got it firing, coughed to life, and I muttered a quiet joke. Only run when I'm around. Words I toss like a stone. Oh, Bowman's boat, you stubborn thing, you only run when I'm within. I said it low, didn't mean a thing, just a half-formed passing sin. But the lake was wide and the sky was blue and the day had just begun. Bowman's boat, you had your curse, but you never touched what we had won. We found a stretch of quiet sand, killed the motor, stepped ashore. Your laugh fell easy in my hand like I'd known it years before. We talked until the hours slipped, stories rolling like the tide. Every word a drifting ship, no place else we'd rather hide. Didn't hear the engine fail, didn't care where it had gone. Oh, Bowman's boat, you stubborn thing, you only run when I'm within. Left that shore, you lost your swing, dead to every other man. But we were lost in something real, while the daylight turned to gold. Bowman's boat, you missed the deal. You were nothing we could hold. Another boat came cutting through, said they found it drifting slow. Towed it back, but all we knew was we weren't ready yet to go. Back at the ramp, the world came in, but we carried something warm. Not every story's tied to sin, not every curse becomes a storm. Weeks went by, we went our ways like young hearts sometimes do. No great wreck, no blame to raise, just a fading point of view. Later on in a parts store line, heard two men complain out loud. Bowman's boat won't run just fine. Shook their heads, confused and proud. Oh, Bowman's boat, you stubborn thing, you only run when I'm within. I guess you kept that whispered string locked inside your iron skin, but you never stole that shore from me, or the hours we let unfold. Bowman's boat, your mystery, a small strange story I still hold. Yeah, you kept your curse, it's true, but you never had me or her too.